Hello everyone. In the last video, we saw how we could create a vertical geometry using the alignment, that is the element method tools, both in MX roads and open roads. So now let us see how we can edit the created geometry in both MX roads as well as the open roads. So you see, I have already created my horizontal geometry and I want to make certain edits to the radius or the spiral lengths. So for that, I shall make use of again the design tools alignment over here. Pick up the same model name and display the earlier created geometry over here since I want to make changes, and delete the design GDS. Now I choose the horizontal design, and now instead of creating a new alignment, I say that I want to make changes to my old alignment. That will ask me to pick up the old alignment. I choose this. Next, over here it will bring back me to those all the horizontal element tools over here, but now I shall be making use of the edit alignment since I want to make the modifications to this edit alignment. So over here you have the option whether you want to delete the elements whatever you have created, or you want to re-specify the elements or reverse the alignment if you have created in a wrong direction and you want to get it, so you could transpose the element over here. And as a whole alignment, this is with in regards to element by element. And if you want to edit, make changes to entire alignment where you want to increase the alignment, or you may want to truncate the alignment, you have various option of rotate alignment, or you want to reverse entire alignment, so you could make use of this. Then this re-specify link, whatever the links been created between the two elements, and if you want to make any changes to the links been created, so you could make use of. So let's use this re-specify link over here, as I want to make changes to my curve radius. Over here it will ask me to pick up the link. I shall pick that link where I want to change the radius, and from here you could simply change the radius from 250 to 300 and change the transition length too. So that will update your geometry and it will show you the new curve radius along with the transition length. And once you're satisfied with the new curve radius, you could accept it, or you could again go back and modify and give a bigger radius. So I'll just go and accept it and say yes, I'm fine with the edit of the alignment, and I just come back. I don't want to make any other changes to the alignment. I'll just come back, and once I'm done with this, I'll say whatever changes I have made to this alignment, I want to go ahead with that and accept it, and now create that as a new horizontal alignment where you give the change interval. You want to overwrite it. Yes, finish this, and now just display that. Now the vertical, since we gave that vertical designs not to follow, so the vertical profile goes off, and then we need to create a fresh new vertical profile for the new alignment created over here. So if I wanted to edit the same horizontal geometry, how would I do in open roads? So like similar tools what we have in the element method tools for the vertical profile, we do have the same for the vertical tools over here. Okay, let's see that how we could do in open roads. I'll also open simultaneously the profile view, which cannot be opened in MX Roads. And we want to edit now the curve radius like which we did it for the MX Roads. Well, since the radius over here is 250 meters, like in MX Road where we went inside the element tools and then we chose particular, either we could edit the respecify link, and then we come back, either we remove the vertical profile tools since the radius is going to change, so the length of the alignment may increase or decrease depending upon how are we going to edit the alignments. So based on that, it will we may have to remove the vertical profile and recreate the vertical profile again for the horizontal alignment in the case of MX Road. Whereas in case of the open roads over here, so the moment when I click on the horizontal alignment, you see this text manipulators, whatever in the brown colors have been created, which is specifying me the radius of the links over here between the elements, how those have been created. And also, so where I could simply come click on the entire alignment and click on those text manipulator where it is showing me 250 meters radius. I could simply just key in and that would change me my alignment over here without having to recreate it as a master string or even remove the vertical profiles. So you see that update over here. What I could do is simply, since I changed my radius, that is where you see this portion, I could simply just come over here again and refresh this. So that will update me even my the curve radius, horizontal curve radius length in vertical profiles. So I need not have to delete the vertical profile and recreate it like I did in MX Roads. Not just the curve radius, you could also edit the IP points over here, the elements being created. Change the IP point. Now if you see, the IP point has been shifted and the curve radius has been adjusted accordingly. If you have done by mistake anything, you have the option to Control Z, undo your options, which is not there in MX Roads. So over here, you're just directly editing the master string directly, since it is a parametric. Just key in the words or either make use of the cursors to move the IP points, make any changes. Similarly, if for the vertical profile edits, if you click on the vertical profile over here, so it will show you the values of the tangent length or the curve lengths over here, where you could simply come and change the curve length or even the k values over here. So it will adjust the, which is dependent on each other. If I just make the changes to the k factor, the curve radius length also gets adjusted. So there is much flexibility in using the edit geometry tools in open roads when compared to MX roads, although the tools are same. So you have some advanced tools, so rather than recreating your master string every time, so you're simply creating your master string or the geometric string once and just making edits, which is also updating your profile view. Yes, this completes the edit geometry part for both MX roads and open roads. Thanks for watching.